Florida, the alligator state. Here, deep in the heart of the Everglades, lives the hungry alligator, ever on the search for any morsel of food. Man, I'm downright hungry. I sure could do with a delicious, savory stew and... I gotta use stragiggity, a straggity, a strookity. I gotta use my head. I give this bird a warm southern welcome. Yeah.
What's this? Friars Club Hotel. Every room with bath. All dirty birds welcome. 2 blocks straight down. Well, how nice. I believe I'll just stop in and rest a spell.
Glad you dropped in, sir. Seminole Sam extends you a warm welcome to the Friars Club.
Sounds good. When do we eat?
First, sir, I registers you in our guest book. Just sign right here, sir.
It's a pleasure, old-timer.
Mr. Woody Woodpecker, Hollywood, California. Man, a celebrity.
How about a nice hot bath?
We rolls out the red carpet for you, sir. And here's your nice hot bath.
Ah, how refreshing.
Front, boy. Yes, sir. See this gentle bird to his bar. Yes, sir. Just follow me, sir.
Just like uptown.
Oh, you can have your squirrel and possum and bar, but give me that little feller walking back door.
This bellhop's a square for fair.
Here we are, sir. Hop right in.
Hey, this water's getting hot.
Sulfur bath, son.
What are these?
Soap chips. Eau de la carrot scent.
Nice soap. Hey, what day is this?
Day? Tuesday, sir.
Tuesday? I never take my bath before Saturday.
Then I'll show you to your room, sir. I'm giving you the bridal suite. You can take the elevator.
More soap chips? This guy's soap happy.
I'm going to eat him. I'm going to eat him.
What's my room number?
The bridal suite is 350, sir.
Thanks, buddy. Well, indirect lighting. Seems stuffy in here.
Room service.
It's too hot up here. I'll sleep in the basement.
Sorry, sir. There's a convention in the basement. You'll have to take 350, sir. Now, what's the matter?
A pitcher of ice water and 350.
These Hollywood glamour boys are downright pestiferous. Ice water.
Thank you.
What's going on in there?
How refreshing.
I'll show you to your bed, sir. There you are. Nice and comfy.
Gee, this is a big bed.
A la king. King size, sir.
Soap chips? In bed?
I'm rolling you out a homemade blanket, sir. We tucks our guests in on cold nights. Gets mighty chilly. Now I plugs in your electric blanket. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye. 4 and 20 woodpeckers baked in the pie.
I hate to correct you, sir, but it's blackbirds.
Who's baking this pie? Now snuggle down. Too many cooks spoil a pie. 4 and 20 woodpeckers baked in the pie.
Baked in a pie? Egad, the pie is I.
And when the pie was open, the gator began to eat.
Quick rise baking powder. This pie needs more baking powder.
Wow, listen to that bird sizzle. Man, I outbaked eat myself. Oh, boy, look at the size of that pie. Man, I'm going to eat for weeks. If I had a friend, I'd invite him to dinner. Oh, boy. Wow, what a luau. Look at that pie. It's growing. It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Where'd my pie go? What happened to my pie?
I want to settle my bill, Buster.